recent events, Google faced backlash for delisting Indian apps from the Play Store due to billing policies, sparking a dispute with Indian startups. The government intervened to seek a fair resolution benefiting both parties and ensuring a sustainable environment for Indian startups on the platform. Anupam Mittal, founder of Shadi.com, criticized Google and Apple for their App Store policies, likening them to the East India Company. Ritesh Agarwal from Oyo Rooms and Kunal Behel from Snapdeal also expressed concerns about Google's billing policies impacting startup growth. The government led by Telecom Minister Ashwini Vaishnav strongly opposed Google's action, emphasizing that tech companies like Google should not solely determine the fate of Indian apps, which promptly led to the apps being restored. This response reflects the government's commitment to protecting Indian startups against unilateral actions by tech giants and advocating for fair treatment in the digital marketplace. This response reflects the government's commitment to protecting Indian startups against unilateral actions by tech giants and advocating for fair treatment in the digital marketplace.